Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Goddess Yemoja, renowned as the Western African goddess of the ocean, motherhood, and nurturing. Part 1. Significance of Goddess Yemoja. What does Yemoja represent in mythology? Goddess Yemoja, also known as Yemoja or Yemaya, holds deep significance in African and Afro-Caribbean religions. She encompasses various roles and represents significant aspects. Yemoja symbolizes motherhood and nurturing, embodying unconditional love, compassion, and protection. As the ruler of the ocean, she signifies the vastness of emotions, the mysteries of life, and the power of creation. Yemoja is also associated with fertility, abundance, and the life-giving forces of nature. She is believed to provide blessings for childbirth, protect pregnant women, and ensure the well-being of infants. Furthermore, Yemoja is revered as a healer of emotional wounds, offering solace and restoring balance and harmony. She embodies the divine feminine, encompassing nurturing qualities, wisdom, and spiritual insight. While interpretations may vary, these aspects provide a glimpse into the multifaceted nature of Yemoja's divine essence. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Yemoja. Embracing the depths, the archetypal power of Goddess Yemoja. Goddess Yemoja encompasses powerful archetypal qualities that transcend time and culture. She embodies the nurturing mother, the divine feminine, the healer and comforter, the protector, and the water goddess. With her unconditional love, wisdom, and emotional depth, she inspires individuals to tap into their own nurturing nature, embrace intuition, seek healing and stability, and find strength in vulnerability. As a guide on the path of personal and spiritual growth, Yemoja offers empowerment and a deep connection to the ever-changing cycles of life. Part 3. Symbols associated with Goddess Yemoja. Ocean's treasures, seashells, and the abundance of Goddess Yemoja. Goddess Yemoja is surrounded by seashells which symbolize abundance and fertility, emphasizing her connection to the ocean and its treasures. Water plants like water lilies and seaweed reflect her ties to the water element and the depths of emotions. Dolphins represent grace and spiritual guidance, while fish embody fertility and prosperity. The colors blue and white symbolize Yemoja's wisdom, intuition, and emotional balance, as well as her purity, spirituality, and healing abilities. These symbols invite us to embrace life's cycles, tap into our intuition, and honor the sacredness of nature. Part 4. The story of Goddess Yemoja. Embracing the ocean's call, a community transformed by love. Once upon a time, in a small coastal village, there lived a young woman named Amina. Amina was known for her caring nature and deep love for the sea. Every morning, she would wake up early and head to the shoreline, where she would offer prayers to Goddess Yemoja, the protector of the oceans and the embodiment of motherly love. One day, as Amina stood on the beach, she noticed a group of fishermen struggling to bring their boats to shore. The waves were fierce and their nets were empty. Amina's heart went out to them, and she felt a strong calling from within. She knew she had to help. Guided by her unwavering faith in Yemoja, Amina waded into the water. She closed her eyes, took deep breaths, and whispered prayers of protection and abundance. Suddenly, a sense of tranquility washed over her, and the waves seemed to respond to her presence. The sea calmed, and the fishermen's boats glided smoothly to the shore. News of Amina's miraculous act spread throughout the village, reaching the ears of the village elder. Intrigued by her connection to the goddess, he invited Amina to share her wisdom with the community. Amina accepted the invitation with humility and gratitude. Underneath a majestic palm tree, Amina stood before the villagers, her voice resonating with sincerity and love. She spoke of the nurturing qualities of Yemoja, the power of compassion, and the importance of honoring the oceans and all its creatures. Amina encouraged the villagers to embrace their own capacity for kindness and to care for one another as a united community. Inspired by Amina's words, the villagers began to see the world through a different lens. They organized beach cleanups, taking care to preserve the beauty of the coastline. They formed a cooperative, supporting local fishermen and promoting sustainable practices. The village flourished with newfound harmony and prosperity. As years passed, Amina's connection to Yemoja grew stronger. She continued to be a beacon of love and compassion in the community. Mothers sought her guidance, and children admired her nurturing spirit. Amina became a symbol of the Divine Mother, reminding everyone of the importance of caring for one another and the earth. And so, the story of Amina and Goddess Yemoja's transformative influence lived on, reminding generations to come of the power of love, compassion, and the eternal bond between humanity and the great oceans that Yemoja represented. The spirit of Yemoja lived within the hearts of the villagers, inspiring them to create a world of harmony and connection, just as the goddess herself had done since ancient times. Part 5.3 Strategies for Personal Transformation, Tapping into the Power of the Yemoja Archetype. Strategy 1. Embrace emotional resilience. Inspired by Yemoja's association with the vastness of emotions, cultivate emotional resilience by practicing positive psychology techniques. Develop self-awareness to identify and acknowledge your emotions, allowing yourself to experience them without judgment. Utilize positive reframing to find meaning and opportunities for growth within challenging situations. Strategy 2. Connect with the power of water. Spend time near bodies of water such as lakes, rivers, or the ocean to enhance relaxation and reduce stress. Practice mindful walks by the water, allowing the soothing sounds and gentle movements to calm your mind and enhance your overall well-being. Consider incorporating water-based activities like swimming, bathing, or even simply taking a relaxing shower as a way to release tension and promote a sense of rejuvenation. Strategy 3. Cultivate community and collective support. West African cultures emphasize the importance of community and collective support. Engage in activities that bring people together, such as community gatherings, drum circles, or traditional ceremonies. Participate in or initiate support groups or circles where individuals can share their experiences, challenges, and triumphs. Seek out mentors or spiritual leaders who can provide guidance and support. Offer your own support and encouragement to others, creating a network of mutual care and upliftment. Part by case Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that, at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps, Warrior Hiker 1. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can perform the ritual undisturbed. Set up your altar with candles, shells, flowers, and any additional items that resonate with the energy of Goddess Yemoja. 2. Light the white and blue candles, representing purity, clarity, and the vastness of the ocean. 3. Close your eyes and take a moment to connect with your intention to honor and connect with Goddess Yemoja. 4. Hold the bowl of salt water or purified water in your hands, feeling its coolness and the energy it represents. Speak words of gratitude and reverence, acknowledging the power and life-giving properties of water. Offer a few drops of water to the earth as a symbol of gratitude and connection to the natural world. 5. Take a piece of paper and pen and reflect on the qualities you wish to cultivate within yourself. Consider qualities such as compassion, nurturing, wisdom, and emotional balance. 6. Write down affirmations or intentions that align with these qualities. For example, I am a vessel of love and compassion. I nurture myself and others with kindness and understanding. 7. Fold the paper and hold it between your palms, infusing it with your intentions and the energy of the ritual. 8. Take the cowrie shells or seashells and hold them in your hands, feel their texture, and imagine the energy of the ocean flowing through them. 9. Place the shells on the altar as a symbolic representation of your commitment to embodying the qualities of the goddess. 10. Blow out the candles, visualizing the energy and intentions of the ritual being sealed and sent forth into the universe. 11. Take a few deep breaths, feeling your connection with the earth beneath you. Reflect on the experience and insights gained during the ritual. You may choose to journal your thoughts, emotions, and any messages that came to you during the practice. A final message. Words of wisdom from Yemoja. A mother's love knows no bounds, for it is a flame that burns eternally, lighting the path of her children's lives with warmth, compassion, and unwavering support. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.